Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into Oppo A53s. Firstly, you need to open your phone application, and then in the top right corner we got 3 dots. So go into this and click settings. Now you choose block numbers option, and here will be your block phone numbers. So for unblocking, for example, these 2 numbers, click here and confirm operation, click unblock. And one more time, click here, click unblock to confirm, and that's it. Now we unblock these 2 numbers. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.